Hello everybody, it is meteorologist Agent's weather forecast. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. In this video, I'll be giving you guys a very detailed forecast about the winter storm for the south, for parts of Oklahoma and northern Texas, and I'm going to be talking about the flood potential for the south and the southeast. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll do my detailed forecast on the updates and everything. So let's just start off the National Weather Service because we do have updates. They did extend the winter storm warnings for parts of southwestern into central Oklahoma, and they did remove the winter storm watches from central Texas. If you saw the video yesterday, you did see where they were, and they did take away the winter storm advisories for parts of southwestern Texas and northern Texas. They still have some warnings in this pink area. They still have some windstorm warnings for parts of Texas, but near the border of Oklahoma, or if you're in the most northern county, right here in Texas, that's where you have warnings too. And the advisories have moved more into Oklahoma. So yeah, let's just check out the radar. And yes, they do have flood watches for parts of Georgia, from central Georgia and North Georgia to South Carolina, North Carolina border. They do have flash flood advisories and flash flood watches here in this dark green. So yeah, and then see scattered advisories, but heavy rain here, and then quite a lot of snow here. So that's a big storm. So yeah, I'm going to give you a most detailed forecast here. So let's actually check out what the models are actually looking like. So this storm is actually occurring right now. I would have made a video early on this, but I've been at school all day, my first day back. So woohoo, break's over, but really sad. But at least I get to make videos for you guys as soon as I get home, so I'm so glad. So it is occurring right now. You can see that snow has started to leave Texas actually. Last night, if you saw my video from yesterday, you did see last night there was supposed to be an ice threat for central Texas and northern Texas. I'm pretty sure there's not a big report of power outages for right now. I'm not exactly sure how many power outages are from that ice. I'll make sure I find out for you guys. But that heavy snow makes its way into central Oklahoma. It's starting to move a little more, actually northeast into parts of these parts of the Oklahoma. It's starting to leave Texas. By last night, it was over here, but it's leaving there. And you can see on the other side of the storm, there's that heavy rain and moderate to rain for parts of the southeast, and then really heavy rain coming down for Houston, New Orleans, and yeah, it's just not going to be a break of rain anytime soon for the southeast, and it's really tiring. And I just really hope we can get some sun. Looking like a great weekend for the southeast for no rain. 12 hours, that heavy snow makes its way actually into central Oklahoma. You can see that pinkish color all around it. That is the freezing rain. That is where it's in between the rain snow mix. So if you're like right here on this type border of that, you might want to worry because you're gonna have all three precipitation: rain starting, making its way to freezing rain, then making its way to snow, because it's just gonna be really messy, confusing if you're on that. But a very significant snow for parts of actually more of central Oklahoma, and it still stays its way. It's just trying to stay in parts of the Texas border, just trying to stay, and it just stays there. And that heavy rain makes its way into Louisiana. Let's go to 24 hours from now. Or actually, let's go to 18 hours because it's not supposed to stay a long time because it's making its way halfway through the storm. See some 18 hours, that lighter snow starts to stay there. It just makes its way a little more into southern Oklahoma, and that rain stays for more northern Oklahoma. So northern Oklahoma is not really going to get a lot of precip, more of rain, not more of a the best way to say is not really any frozen precip for this time for northern Oklahoma, more of a southern and maybe south central Oklahoma storm. Then that heavy rain makes its way into the Florida Panhandle and Mississippi Alabama border. Let's actually check out 24 hours too. 24 hours by, it's gone. It's mostly rain, guys. So it's not gonna stay big a really long time. It's just gonna stay there for just a little bit, and then it's a lot of rain. So a lot of rain there for parts of the southeast. You can just see a lot of it, and I'll show you guys the precip models very soon. Alright, guys. Sorry for that confusion. I wanted to make sure that we had all models. Okay, so really sorry for the confusion. This is actually the European model for the next. This goes all the way to January 7th. So you can see that snow still stays, and for parts of Texas. I really do feel bad if you're in Dallas, because you're really just missing this. Like, I believe you're right there. You're just missing this. In this light grayish, if you're wondering, that's not really anything. A fourth to an inch. If you're in this dark purple, you can get up to 9 inches, 7 to 9 inches. And if you're in this light blue to dark blue, not just light blue, but the dark blue, you can get up to 2 to 6 inches. So, and maybe some models, I'm showing some snow for Arkansas. But this is the European model. So let's actually just check out the GFS model after this. But it's showing a really heavy snow for parts of making its way to central Oklahoma. And is starting to leave parts of northern Texas. Okay, so this is the GFS model. You do see a humongous or tremendous difference in the models. It does show less snow for parts of central Oklahoma. It does show maybe 5 to 4 inches for parts of where they're supposed to get 8 to 9 inches. So there is a very big difference in the models, and it does show less snow for parts of these areas. Maybe not even anything. Less snow for parts of these northern counties for the Texas and Oklahoma border. But there still will be significant, even snow for central Oklahoma, whichever model's right, still up to 3 to 9 inches in between these models. So 2 inches less in here. And then the other model does show a really tremendous difference. You can just see a big difference in there. So this is all the way January 6th, around the same day. But it's showing some areas can actually get 5 inches in this model and 8 inches in the European. So the storm's basically almost over. So not really, the models aren't going to be any time to agree. So just, yeah, it's a very big difference. So let's talk about the precip now. It is a relief. The southeast is still getting rain, but it's a relief that they get a sunny weekend, because look at this. Some areas that got up to 8 inches last week, look at this, guys. Maybe an inch and a half at most. So that's a really good thing, but the problem is maybe more of Arkansas getting some snow, maybe up to 2.5 inches the next 10 days. That can be a problem, and what a relief, guys. Southern Texas, wow, what a relief. Not really a lot of precip. Louisiana, the southeast, wow, they are really lucky they are getting a sunny weekend. If not, this would be a big difference, maybe up to 9 inches additionally of rain, which is incredible how wet it's been for the end of 2018 and start of 2019. Just very, very wet. I haven't seen the sun in the last 5 days, I believe. So wow, it's just a relief to see this. If you guys are really thinking, finally, sun Saturday, just so close. And yeah, and it's showing really some really heavy snow actually for Arkansas and eastern Oklahoma, because the snow will be near there, but they would just get that heavy rain on the warm side. So this would be just the warm side where the snow will be here and then the rain would just be here. So yeah, I hope I explained it to you. But yes, it's still getting some rain, additionally 2 inches at most for parts of Atlanta or the southeast, but still less snow, and what a relief. It's going to be a very good sunny weekend both days, unless that changes. In Arkansas, we might want to worry maybe if it goes to 3 inches, but not really a problem. So guys, hope you guys like this video. I really hope my videos are getting a bit better. Let me know in the comments if I need anything to work on, and yeah, just see you guys in the next video. Hopefully we get to 600, which is my goal, really soon. So do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for instant notifications. And see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Bye.